Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and fully disconnecting the Ps5, safety first. Once done, let it sit a brief 10 minutes so capacitors settle. Place the console on a padded, flat surface with the logo panel facing up and organize a magnetic tray for screws. You'll pop the outer shell next. Lift the front corner gently, then slide the shell toward the rear until it clears the clips. This initial removal exposes the internal frame and readies you for further disassembly. With the shell off, start unscrewing the visible fasteners while keeping them sorted by location. You'll encounter M2, 5 and M3 screws. Once screws are out, use a plastic spudger to carefully detach ribbon cables. These are fragile, so pry at the connector latch, not the cable. Next, remove the SSD shield and unscrew the metal internal cover. Lift it away to reveal the fan, heatsink, and optical drive bay. Taking photos as you go helps when reassembling, so make sure to document connector orientations. Now remove the fan assembly by unplugging its connector and unscrewing the mounting screws, noting the airflow direction for correct reinstall. For the heatsink, loosen screws in a crisscross pattern one turn at a time to prevent stress, then lift it straight up. If you're replacing or reseating, clean old thermal paste and apply a new thin layer. Reassemble everything in reverse, reconnecting ribbons and screws by location. If the unit won't power, check connectors and screw positions first. Loose ribbon connectors are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.